Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing InTown Suites Extended Stay Select Orlando UCF. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free parking, family rooms, Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms, facilities for disabled guests and a laundry. InTown Suites Orlando UCF is 1.5 miles from the University of Central Florida. On-site laundry facilities are provided. A refrigerator, stove top, and microwave are standard in every room at the InTown Suites Orlando University of Central Florida. Weekly housekeeping services are available for the guests' convenience. On-site vending machines are provided. Orlando International Airport is a 20 minutes drive from the hotel. Downtown Orlando is a 19 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.